it feels amazing to be a 30-ish winner. I mean, I didn't see it coming. I remember I was actually having a bad day, so to say, and then an email popped up and like, oh, hey, big winner, you have been awarded, like you're a winner for the 30-ish awards. And I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. And also another chance to come back to Cardiff. And I was like, I must make it for this trip, and here we are. Currently, I'm the Africa Security Correspondent for the BBC. Mainly, I cover conflict, and I also do news analysis as well as breaking news, just looking at the complexities of some of the security challenges that the continent is facing, and making it make sense for audiences, especially younger audiences who are trying to understand whatever is happening globally. I mean, being back in Cardiff was more nostalgic than I thought. As soon as I got back into the city, I realized how close and how fond I am of this city, because it takes me back to 2 years ago when I was a student here. I mean, I'm passing by the main building, Cardiff Uni. I'm passing by Crown Place, my accommodation, and then I was like live lounge down by Queen Street and I wanted to like unwind. So it was amazing. It's so amazing being back here. Yeah, so today I had a chance to go back to speak to some of the students who are taking the same course that I was taking. That is the foreign news reporting class. And it was amazing because one of the things that I learned from that course was on critical thinking. And the questions that they kept asking is, how did I get to where I am as a news reporter, and how does that help me with my current job at the BBC? And it was just amazing sharing my experience, not only as a former student, but also as a professional who now works for the BBC. Well, I think more than whatever you learn in school, experiences are what people are gonna experience, for lack of a better word. Like, talking from experience is far better than just learning. Like, it gives you a feel of the real world, and that's why it's important to constantly share these ideas. And I myself am actually a beneficiary of being taught or being mentored by people who are ahead of me from their live experiences, and that kind of helps you navigate the real world. I think being in Cardiff University gave me the sense of community, and I also enjoyed the diversity. For the first time, I was in a class with people from all over the world, you know, the guys from India, China, Nigeria, and even here in the UK. So I met loads of people, and I was learning to also navigate different cultures and also meet different people as well.